Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And this week we will have a look at Mono Zero Eraser. This is manufactured by a company called as Tombow. We also have this kind of bonus pack where along with this eraser we will also get has two additional erasers. So let's unbox this and we'll see how this performs in real world and whether it is useful or not. Alright, so let me just open this. Oops. So this is what you get in this box, and in this refill pack you will have two cartridges. So you have two of these erasers. Let's see how this functions. So this can be used like your mechanical pencil, where you just press on the top, you will get an eraser at the bottom, which is, I think this has a diameter of 2.3 mm. Yes, 2.3 mm diameter eraser. And the way you can use this is, I think, pretty straightforward. So let's say you have shading, as I have already made over here, and let's just say that you need to achieve some kind of an highlights over here. So just take this eraser and then just go over it. So as you can see, you will get really nice thin consistent highlights. I think this is very useful for the people who are doing portrait drawings, where they need to get such highlights for, let's say, highlights on the hair and skin and so on. So I think this really suits them a lot. And one more place where you can use such type of an eraser is, let's say that you have some kind of a construction line when you're doing your perspective grids, and you can just use it like a mechanical pencil and then just erase out all these construction lines. Also, I have drawn some like normal straight lines, and if I just go over them, I think it does a pretty decent job. So yeah, I think this is the way you can use it, and I would say it is definitely worth an investment. But one thing is that it does consume quite a bit of the eraser when you are using it. See, there's a lot of dust coming out of it. So my suggestion is, when you're buying this, also get these refill packs. And the way you can refill them is just press at the top and take it out. So you have this plastic sleeve kind of a thing, to which you have your eraser attached. So just take a new one and press it again, and then just load it, just how you would load mechanical pencil's lead. So I think I think I have made a good purchase decision, and I think it will be very useful for me in the future. And yeah, you can just store it in a nice place. This case is also quite good. It's plastic, but I think it will last a really long time. And I think they also have it in a rectangular block instead of this round eraser. I think the cost is pretty much the same, and it just depends on your application, whether you need really thin highlights or you want to erase broad areas in one stroke. If you are looking for highlights for hairs, then I think this would be a very good purchase. So yeah, this was my unboxing and review of the Mono Tombow Zero Eraser, and I think it's a really good purchase. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you around. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.